Show is sponsored by Dave's Pizza, located at 924 West Main Street, Paoli, Indiana. Contact them at 812-723-4545.
Good morning, I'm calling this PHS News Today for Tuesday, November 5th. Anyone interested in being the 2019-2020 archery team needs to stop by Mr. Wilson's room to pick up information packets. The archery team is open to any students in grades 7th through 12th. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. In honor of band going to state, we'll be having dress-up days this week. Today is Neon Day, Wednesday is formal wear, Tuesday is dress like favorite teacher or coach, and Friday is bold purple and gold. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Kaulen. Checking out the radar today. We may see a slight chance of rain today and throughout the rest of your week. Today we have a high of 53 and a low of 33. Tomorrow we have a high of 60 and a low of 45. And then on Thursday we see the temperatures dropping with a high of 47 and a low of 21. Back to you.
The junior high spell ball team will be competing at Jasper Middle School. Please join Miss Brown in supporting the team members. Cameron Apple, Braden Crowder, Trinity Thompson, Lillian Woodsmall, Lena Zag, Riley Beckler, Hayden Bostock, Jarek Hopp, Nora Korsmo, Kelly Scott, and Rihanna Pinnock. I'm calling that your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.